Chapter 3: Assessing Your Team. Every team is judged by the results they achieve. How can I evaluate the performance of my remote employees?
The first thing you need to do is decide how you want to measure success and productivity. There are several ways to do this, but you want to find the measurement that best reinforces your remote employees' contribution.
What about customer satisfaction? Would that be a good metric to measure productivity?
That's a great way. You can send surveys out to customers to get the results. My final suggestion is to use a peer review or 360-degree review.
What is that?
This method allows for feedback from every level of an organization. Feedback is gathered from peers and subordinates, as well as managers or supervisors.
This seems like it is a more balanced way to evaluate performance. We can see the remote employee from different perspectives.
That's exactly right. There are two more ways to evaluate your team I want to share: milestones and objectives. Milestones are a team evaluation. They are a way to keep your team on track as it works towards the KPIs. If the team consistently misses deadlines, then you know there's a problem. Objectives are for individual team members. These are the targets you want each member to work towards. When each member is productive, then they will be meeting or exceeding their objectives. After you've evaluated the remote employees, you should reward them if they've done a good job.
Of course, I need to make sure the reward is something they want. I know a reward to one team member may not be a reward to another.
That's right. It's important to stop and think about the different needs of your remote team members, especially if there are multiple generations working on the team.
I know millennial employees may want immediate and ongoing feedback with a reward system to match. Gen Xers, on the other hand, may want more time with family. Any reward that gets in the way of family time may not be much of a reward to them.
Exactly. Stay away from one-size-fits-all rewards. It will fail. Each generation is a product of how they were brought up and will have different wants and needs in the workplace.